Venturing into the lush expanse of the tropical rainforest, we encounter a marvel of the avian world. Here, the Great Hornbill, a member of the Buceros genus, commands attention with its striking appearance. Broad wings and a prominent casque on its bill distinguish this bird amidst the lush green canopy. Their expansive wings enable them to glide with ease, crucial for seeking nourishment and avoiding danger. The casque atop their head serves not only as an ornamental feature, but also as an amplifier for their distinct calls, which resonate through the forest, signaling their presence and domain. Due to their short tongues, these birds cannot move food into their mouths as easily as some other birds do. Instead, they employ a distinctive technique where they skillfully flip food items to the back of their throats. This action is performed with a quick, upward jerk of the head, ensuring that the food is positioned correctly for swallowing. They exhibit notable size differences within their species, with males generally larger than females, evident in their bill and wings. The Great Hornbill relies heavily on its sturdy neck muscles and reinforced vertebrae, which are crucial to support its sizable bill. This robust anatomy aids in various critical tasks, from foraging and nest building to warding off threats, allowing the bird to flourish within the dense foliage of its forest habitat. Hornbill pairs form lasting bonds, and when it comes to raising their young, they have a distinct division of labor. The female takes refuge in a tree cavity for molting and attending to the chicks, while the male is pivotal in foraging, providing a steady supply of food for his mate and their young during their time in the nest. As the Great Hornbill takes to the air, we watch as the evening begins, and for a moment, the forest settles into a serene calm. An interlude of peace before the nocturnal life awakens.